Hello everyone, this is Lucy Marroquin here. I am going to present Chapter 7, Exercise 8. It's about preparing bank reconciliation and adjusting entries. So we have this information here. We have 6 items that we have to state in. And this bank reconciliation, mostly we have to make sure that the information from our books are the same as the cash presented by the banks. So we're going to begin with item number 1, which says the cash balance per bank for July 31st is $7,438. To this, we have to add up the deposits in transits, our deposit that we already had been recorded in our books, but it didn't have been recorded in the bank. They are in transit. So if we see the item number 4, it says that we have 2,800 deposit in transit. So we have to add them up, and we going to have 10,248. So this we have to take off the outstanding checks that we have been issued in the company, but they didn't have been paid by the bank. So the total is $690, and here we're going to take them off. So we're going to have the adjusted cash balance for bank to 9,558. So the same, this amount is the same that we're going to have in our books to balance them up. So we're going with our books information. So to this, we have to find the cash balance per books. If we see in item number 3, we have this information. It says that we have 7,474 that we have to put in here. We have to add any money the bank had collected. Our clients have been made some payments through the bank by electronic funds transfers. So in item number 5, we see that the bank had collected 2,126 that we have to write in here. 2,126, I believe it is. And it is. So it doesn't say any fees or any interest about it. So that's the only thing we have to put it on. So if we go through this, we have already put the cash, the item number 1. The item number 2 is the bank service. So the bank had charged us for $42. This is for any papers or statements that they print for us, or whatever other charge that the bank had been charged us. So we're going through number 3. We already used this one. The deposits and transit, we already had them on. Number 5 too, the outstanding check. So we are already having write them all. So we're going to have the cash balance for books. We have to add them the money the bank had collected, so we can have it in our books too. We have that entry, and we have to uh, take off the bank service charge, which is $42. So if we see in these yellow lines, they are all balanced. So that means that the money we have in the bank matches the money we have registered in our books. So for this, now we have to make the respective entries. So if we see in item number 5 that the bank collected money for us, so we have accounts receivable that are already having paid. So we have the entry of cash for 2,126, and we have to take to debit accounts receivable, to create accounts receivable. So We also have the bank charge expense, which is $42, and we have to take off from our cash. So mostly that's all what it is. Exercise 8. So if you have any questions, or did I confuse you in something or whatever, anything else that you have to add to this, please be free to do it, and I'm going to learn from it too, so don't worry about it. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in the comments.